Hello friends, good morning. I have a one task for you. The task is that can you swim in the swimming pool only by reading books? And can you drive a car only by reading books? Yes or no? I hope your answer is no. It's not possible. So how you accept that only by reading books, only by listening English, you will be able to speak English fluently? No, it's not possible. To become a fluent speaker, you have to you have to speak every day in your real life, in your real journey. For example, you want to swim a swimming pool. So, first you have to take a decision, remove your fear, jump into the pond, jump into the swimming pool. Then you will able to whatever you want to do. The same you can change your life. The same path, the same path you have to develop in your communication skills. If you want to speak English in front of audience, so first you have to remove your fear, build your confidence, start speaking whatever you have. Don't afraid of making mistakes because mistakes is your teacher. No one is here you correct only your mistakes. You say it is wrong and it is right. Don't afraid of making mistakes. The problem is not you are making mistakes. The problem is that you are silent. You are not speaking. Your mouth is not opening. So, the same way you have to apply in order to become a fluent speaker. No one is here perfect. No one is perfect here. And you say, if I am speaking right little bit, so once I was beginner, I was stuck again and again. I was not courage. I was not that that type of confidence. I was beginner once, but it's improved only by practicing everyday speaking in English language. So please don't wait for a perfect moment. Don't wait to your perfect grammar. Start what you whatever you have knowledge. Start your speaking practice. Even simple words, simple sentences. I know you have knowledge about your daily life, about your daily routine, about yourself, your father's self. What does your father do? You know everything, but still you have fear of making mistakes, fear of confidence, fear of grammatical rule. So it will not helping you. So please listen to carefully and start your journey, growth in your journey. I hope getting this point. So thank you so much. Bye bye for watching this video.